when we have a plus b times c plus d. In this case, it has two factors. We saw previously when we had a plus b and another number here. But now if we have this form, a plus b and another c plus d, we have four different numbers, a, b, c, and d. How it's done? Again, we use the distributive law, but several times. So let's start by evaluating it. A plus b times c plus d. It's like you're multiplying a by c plus d and b by c plus d, right? As we did, consider a plus b, consider it one number. You multiply it by each of the terms, by c and by d. So it's a times c plus d plus b times c plus d. Okay, it's clear? We multiplied this bracket by a and by b. After this, we need to expand. Okay, we start expanding AC plus AD plus BC plus BD. And this is what we obtain. It's clear? If you want, I can explain it again.
No, it's okay.
It's okay. So what you need to memorize is that if you have A plus B times C plus D, it's AC plus AD plus AC plus BD. As simple as that. We call this, we call it the FOIL rule. Okay? Why is it called the FOIL rule? I will tell you now. The FOIL rule, it means first, outer, inner, last. So AC is the first, AC first. AD outer, AD they are outer, al-traf يعني outside. Inner is inside BC, and last BD. So that's why the rule is called FOIL, first, outer, inner, last. AC is the first term, AD is the outer, AD, A is here and D is here. BC is in the middle, inner, and BD is the last term. Okay, so you remember the word FOIL to not forget it. Or you remember how to do it, like I told you, AC, it's not that hard, I think. AC plus AD plus BC plus BD. Expand and simplify x plus 3 in bracket times x plus 2. Expand it. Develop.
For x, do I have to write x times x, or do I just put xx?
Oh, it's better to write x times x. We don't write, usually we don't write xx.
Okay.
So x times x plus x times 2 plus 3 times x
Plus 3 times 2.
Continue.
Plus 3 times 2. Do I just do the equation?
Now you simplify what you have. X times x is,
X power 2.
yes, plus x times 2 is, x times 2 is 2x.
Um,
3
plus
times x
3
is, it's just 3x, 3 times x.
plus 6. So it's x power 2 plus 2 times 2x plus 3 times plus 3x plus 6.
Okay, this is what you obtained till now.
Yeah.
Okay, this is the answer, but you still have here 2x plus 3x, which is,
Um,
what's 2x plus 3x? It's 5x. 2 plus 3 equals 5, so it's 5x. The last answer will be x2 plus 5x plus 6. This is how we develop, okay? Sometimes they give you this and you have to give them this. That's called factorizing, factorization or factorization. They give you the expanded form, you give them this. If they give you this, you give them the expanded. The question here is expand. Sometimes the question is factorized. They would give you this expression here and you will give them this form. It depends. Both are useful, both are needed in mathematics. Let's see this example too. Expand and simplify 2x plus 1 plus times 3x minus 2. Okay, just watch it. Also, we did the same thing. Okay, you don't have to do this one, just watch it. 2x plus 1 times 3x minus 2. Are you trying to do it or what?
No, I'm just writing something.
Okay. We start the same manner. 2x times 3x plus 2x times minus 1 plus 1 times 3x plus 1 times minus 2. And you expand. 2x times 3x is, what is it? 2x times 3x?
It's 6x.
6x power 2. We're multiplying. We're multiplying x by x. It becomes x power 2. Plus 2x times minus 1. It's, what's 2x times minus 1 times minus 2?
Minus 4x.
Yes. Plus 1 times 3x is just 3x. And 1 times minus 2 here, it's minus 2. So this is what we have. And finally, 6x2 minus 4x plus 3x. What's minus 4x plus 3x?
4x plus 3x is 5. Well, yeah, 5. Oh no, wait. It's I think it's 1x because the x turns into minus.
Here you're
Oh.
doing minus 4 plus 3. It's like 3 minus 4. 3
Yeah,
minus 4 is minus 1.
oh,
So it's minus x.
yeah. Oh,
4 is bigger than 3 and it's negative, so it's minus x. This is the last answer. 6x2 minus x minus 2, the expanded form. And of course, we can use this in many other forms. Let's see other examples. I like to give you examples because that's how you can understand. Without examples, you can't see it. This example, x plus 3 times x minus 3, we just expand it. X times x is x2. X times minus 3 is minus 3x plus 3x minus 9. 3 times 3 is minus 9 here. And minus 3x and plus 3x is 0. Okay, it's the same term, it's gone. So we're left with x2 minus 9. And this is also a formula. This is a formula of a plus b times a minus b is a2 minus b2. A plus b fois a moins b égale a2 moins b2. Do you remember this? Ah, you remember it. So you have seen this formula.
I think, yeah.
Yes. A plus b par a moins b égale a2 moins b2. A plus b times a minus b is a2 minus b2. But here we didn't use that formula. We just expanded as any other, okay? But usually when we have this form, we don't expand like this. We directly write the answer x2 minus 9. This is the first a, x2, and this is the 3. So it's x2 minus 3 power 2, which becomes 9. And here also we have the same example. 3 minus x times 3 plus x. It's 3x power 2. So it's 9x2 minus 5 power 2 is minus 25. Directly we can write it, or we just do the expansion. The expansion we did, 3x times 3x is 9x2. 3x times 3x is 9x2. 3x times 5 is plus 15x. 3x times 3x, no, not the 3, the 5 now. Minus 5 times 3x is minus 15. Minus 5 times 5 is minus 25. And you obtain this answer. Are you bored?
Kind of.
Oh, okay. Am I going slowly or?
No, it's fine.
Okay. If I go fast, you wouldn't understand. The important, our goal is to make you understand. If we'll do everything quickly, يعني ما بتستفيدي شيء إذا عملنا كل شيء بسرعة وإذا ما نفهم. The difference of two squares. Here they're starting to show you this formula, which is a plus b times a minus b is a2 minus b2. Write this down, you should know it by heart. A plus b times a minus b is a2 minus b2. Expand this one using the formula. You can directly write x2 minus 5 power 2. A2 moins B2, or A2 minus B2. What? Are you doing it?
Wait.
X2 minus 5 power 2 is x2 minus 25. This is the answer. Why did it take so long?
Oh, I didn't.
This is it. What were you doing?
I don't think. I thought it was done.
Oh, you thought it was done. I was waiting for you to say minus 25. Okay, it's okay. Now the second one. 3 minus y times 3 plus y. This is the same form as a plus b times a minus b. Always remember. So a is 3 and b is y. b equals y and a equals 3. So what's the answer?
Oh. 3 power 2 minus y power 2.
Yes, 3 power 2 is 9. So it's 9 minus y power 2. 2x minus 3 and 2x plus 3. Here it's also the same form. 2x is a and 3 is b. Either by normal expansion, term by term, or by using the formula a2 minus b2.
Okay, so do I do both?
What?
Do I do both?
Now we want the by the formula. By the formula, a2 minus b2.
Okay, so it's 2x power 2 minus 3 power 2.
Yes, and equals
Um, it's I think it's this 2x power 2 minus 9.
you have 2x in bracket. The whole 2x is power 2. So 2 is also to the power 2. 2 power 2 is
2 power 2 is 4.
4 and x power 2 is 2. So it's 4x2 minus 9.
Oh, wait, 4x
Okay,
power 2.
when I say x2, I mean x power 2. It's 3x power 2 minus 4y power 2.
And 9x power 2
Yes,
minus 16y power 2.
yes, that's it. Now let's move to the other formula, which is a plus b power 2. A plus b au carré. You should have seen it at school. So let's consider that we don't know the formula. Let's do it as usual. Okay, let's consider it a number. A plus b power 2. What does it mean? Something power 2. If you have x power 2, it's equal to x times x, right? So a plus b power 2 is equal to a plus b times a plus b. You're multiplying it by itself, right? Okay, we write it 2 times. 2 times a plus b power 2 is a plus b, which means times. If we don't put the sign of times, it means it's time. And now we develop this one, a plus b times a plus b, develop it.
It's...
Or expand it. In English, we say expand. Expand this one.
A times A plus
Yes.
A times B.
A times A plus AB plus BA plus BB or B2, B power 2. Right?
Yeah.
Okay. So this is what we have. A square plus AB plus AB. BA is AB, okay? It's the same. And B times B is B power 2. We use the FOIL rule. First, outer, inner, last, that rule, we used it again, okay? And this is what we have. A2 plus AB plus AB plus B2. AB plus AB is just 2AB. So from that, you've seen the formula. A plus B au carré égale A2 plus 2AB plus B2. Or in English, so you should know this formula by heart. You will use it in grade 9, definitely. Yes, you should use the formula. It's A plus B power 2. A is X, and B is 3. So it's A2 plus 2AB plus B2.
So it's X power 2.
Yes. Plus
X power 2 plus 3x power 2. No, 6x.
6x. Okay, 6x because it's 2 times x times 3, so it's 6x, plus b3, which is 3 power 2, and the answer is x2. Say hi to your sister.
That was my uncle.
X2 plus 6x plus 9.
Wait.
This is the answer. The second one, we have x minus 5 power 2. So here we have the sign minus, but it still can be considered as a plus b. With b, okay, before starting, you can put a equals what and b equals what before starting the formula. Here a equals x and b equals minus 5. B is negative here, but you can still apply the formula. So it's like you're doing x plus minus 5 power 2.
The answer is x power 2 plus minus 10x plus minus 25.
Okay, you're close, but there's a mistake. First, x2 plus 2x minus 5. So it's plus times minus is minus. So it's minus 10x, okay? x2 minus 10x. Then plus, okay, it's the formula, it's a2 plus 2ab plus b2. Plus b2 minus 5 power 2. Minus 5 power 2, the power is even. 2 is even, pair, number pair. So the minus sign is gone. So it's plus 25. Okay, because minus 5 times minus 5 is plus 25. Minus times minus is plus. So your mistake is it's plus 25, not minus 25. And here you should write minus 10x, not plus minus 10. Just minus 10x. So let's get back. 5x plus 1 power 2. You apply the formula. Here a equals 5x and b equals 1. Apply the formula. 5x2 plus 2 times 5x times 1 plus 1 power 2. Give me the final answer. So 5x power 2 is 25x 2. 25x2.
Yeah.
Plus 2 times 5x is 10x. And plus 1 times, no, it's plus 1 power 2, it's 1, plus 1. So you start by, it's the same form, but here you have, it's more complicated a little bit. You have a equals 2x2, and you have b equals 3. 2x2 plus 3 power 2. We start. 2x2 is the a power 2 plus 2a b plus b2. Okay, we wrote the formula. Then we expand 4x4 plus, here you have 2 times 2 times 3, which means 4 times 3, it's 12. 12x2 plus 3 power 2, which is 9. So this is the answer. 4x4 plus 12x2 plus 9. There's also this formula, but you don't have to memorize it, okay? But there's also a formula for a plus b power 3, but no one, I don't even, I memorized it because I've used it a lot, but you don't have to. It's not necessary.